and technology are how we fill the gaps between now and the future. They are the means by which we discover, create, and unify. They provide transportation on-world and off-world. Technology and innovation allows limitless communication. Technology ends wars. Innovation accelerates progress. Innovations in medicine provide new perspectives, new studies, and safer practices. Technology is the printer that creates an exact replica of a patient's heart for a doctor to study. It is how we know ourselves through DNA and how we know each other. It is the means by which vaccines are made in a pandemic. They are how we accelerate progress towards clean energy. New Mexico has the capacity to meet the world's renewable energy needs with the right technology and innovations. Technologies like quantum dots are the innovations that enable buildings and businesses to be powered by sunlight captured in their windows. New Mexico Energy Manufacturing wants to encourage collaboration between the great thinkers of technology and the minds that seek innovation locally, nationally, and eventually worldwide to lead us from now